Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add home button to your iPhone. Now, the first thing you can do here is you can go to your settings, and on settings, make sure to go here and type in assertive touch. Click on assertive touch here. And here, as you can see, you have assistive touch right here. So you can click on it and then click on assistive touch. Now, as you can see, you will have this home button right here that you can move it on. You can also click on it and you'll be able to see you have control center, device, notification center, custom, and gestures. Now, that's pretty much how to do it. As you can see, if I click on it, I'll go to home. Now, if I want to, again, if I want to disable it, I just go here, I disable it. But yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. Again, this is just like a home button on previous iPhones. And again, if you have any questions around this, or if you want to know more about any other Apple tutorials, then visit our channel, subscribe to our channel for more, because we're doing every single day new tutorials. But yeah, this is pretty much how to do this home button and how to add it. Again, if you have questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.